Hey everyone, this is Wicked Cushions, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your Bose Quiet Comfort 3 on-ear cushions. The replacement earpads you're about to see will only fit the Bose QC3 model. While they are the same size as the OE2, SoundTrue, and SoundLink, it is not recommended to use them on these models. The first thing you are going to do is remove the old earpads. You simply hold the earpad from the top like this and pull it out. The earpads should come out quite easily. The way these earpads connect is by inserting the two dowels on the headphones into these two holes. Here you can see the two dowels on the headphones. Simply align the two holes on the earpad into the dowels and push the earpad in. Push around the earpad as you will hear several clicking sounds until it is fully attached. There is no left and right to these earpads, so it does not matter which one you use. Follow the same procedure on the other pad and you are done. I hope this video was helpful. You can find a link to our replacement earpads in the description below. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always contact us through our website wickedcushions.com or simply ask us a question in the comment section. Enjoy your brand new cushions.